Hey everybody, Ken Krushka here. So what I have here is this 1974 X2 Sky Cycle that Evel Knievel was using to jump or try and jump Snake River Canyon. Engineer Bob Truex actually, and I'm going to just put on this sticker kit. I ordered this sticker kit from this guy here. He sells all those kits that you'll see on eBay. Jeff Molnar. It's about $10 for a decal kit. But let's just apply this quick. So engineer Bob Truex, I guess, was the guy who built the rocket. He worked on the Polaris project with those astronauts like Gus Grissom, who burned to death, and the other two astronauts died as well. Let's get this here right. And Evel blamed that Bob Truex for the failure of that whole parachute because of the G load. It was just made to fail. But those astronauts all died, I guess, on the launch pad down in Cape Canaveral. And anyways, that's the guy who helped design the Sky Cycle, so that's why Evel lined it in the bottom of the lake. Alright, so that one goes there. This one goes up to the front there. Oh, come on. I'm trying not to get my head in the camera when I'm doing this. Let's maybe hold it up. And just follow that body line if you can see it. It should come back to about there. Then you do that other one like it on the other side. And that's something you can actually watch on YouTube and hear how this whole Evel's version of how the Snake River jump, why it failed. There was a talk show that Jim Rowe did, and I should have brought that up a hair more, but that's okay. Let's move that down. Jim Rome is the guy's name that the talk show was that Evel was talking to, and the famous quote from that is, so of course the name like this goes on this side, and then the one that's got the slant that way goes to the other side, and you actually see it. I cleaned this up, and this line here is just the old glue, but it actually goes at that fold where the wing comes out, so you kind of want to maybe do it half and half here. I'll get the bend, and then I'll apply the other. Oh, that's too far down. Don't stick it down hard until you know where you are on it. There. I want to put it right about there. There we go. That's good. Seeing how it clears the back. I'm going to try and do some silver paint over the thruster edges. I'll put the one on here yet. So you got a left side and a right side to all this. The guy does have pictures that Jeff Molnar. There we go. But you get the idea. They called them labels back in the 70s. They didn't call them stickers. They called them labels. And with the Sky Cycle, I couldn't find the year, like all the other ideal stuff, right on the vehicle itself. I had to take it off the original instruction manual and get the year of this one for the copyright of the instruction manual. Now I'm just a collector, so I don't have to have perfect or anything, you know. But I do want a nice sticker kit on here. The real thing is you get one extra star from the way you get, what, 7 stars here, and the way the guy shows them laid on the there we go. That looks good. On the front here, you stagger them, but you only use 6 of them. So we're going to try and put this right away. So I'm going to line this up with the body seam there for the starting one. Okay. Then we'll do 2. One on the left, one on the right. There. I think there was like 3 different kits for this customization on this too. The Sky Cycle, unless it's going, it's going to lean to the left or lean to the right when you got it laying down. It doesn't just sit perfectly center. And now we'll stagger 3 stars here, so you get an extra star in his kit anyway. We'll put one there. We'll put one down from it, out there. Right? And then we'll put one up here. And then there's going to be 1 extra star, so that's just a cool little benefit of staggering it, I guess. Looks pretty cool like that. I'm going to keep that other star off of it. Maybe I'll put it on the launcher or something. Now, we'll just stick him in here and send him on a go, and you guys can see this now fixed. You know, I cleaned it out, oiled up the gears and all that, and we'll send her off for a run here. Good job, Pooch. And we'll send her just straight out that way. We'll go straight for that chair. Lock it into the launcher. See how we can frame. There he is right there. I'm going to wind him up. My dog would move. Alright. Move. I think the original okay, so you hit a table. But they talk in that instruction manual about it, also about it going airborne. And that thing is like a lawn dart, really, with that nose. So that's how you do it, everybody. Have a good one.